back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, guys, is going to be an unboxing video. We're gonna be unboxing the AirPods Pro. So disclaimer lang, guys, this is not a sponsored video. AirPods Pro came out last October 2019. Finally, my husband got it because I'll tell you a quick story, guys. He lost his AirPods, couldn't find it, and he ended up getting AirPods Pro. And I told him like, okay, that's fine with me because I know you've been wanting to get the AirPods Pro. And then he told me like he gonna keep my old one and he gonna give this to me. I said no, just keep the AirPods Pro. And then what happened was he ended up finding his old AirPods, so he have his old AirPods now. So it's like, you can return it, I don't mind, but he said he's just gonna keep it, he's just gonna give it to me. So I was like, okay, I think my other one is also kind of a bit old already. Let's open it right now. You guys ready? Let's go. As usual, comes with their manual. Comes with a charger, guys. The same charger of the iPhone. They have extra ear tips for the small size, and they have also the large size. There you go. Wow. There you go, guys. Ooh. Take it out. That's what it looks like on my ear right now, and I think it's a bit smaller or shorter, I mean, compared to my other AirPods. I'm gonna connect it now, guys, because it's like pop out right away in my phone. Let's see. Let's try it.
This is a shout out to my ex. Heard he in love with some other chick.
Wow, sounds good.
Shout out to my ex. You're really quite the man. Here's to my ex. Hey, look at me now. You'll never bring me down.
It's really nice because I cannot hear any background noise, guys. When I put this on, when I listen to the music, I cannot hear anything at all. Like, I'm just hearing the music itself. So that is really good, guys. Now I'm gonna be showing you the comparison of the second generation. So this is the second generation AirPods, and this is the AirPods Pro. So as you can see, the difference over there, and let's close it. Let's close this thing over here. So as you can see, the other one is a bit shorter and it's kind of like curved. The design is completely different because the second generation is just like straight like that, and this one is kind of weird looking. That's our second generation AirPod, and this is the AirPods Pro. So what do you guys think? Do you prefer this kind of style or you want this style over here? For me, if I were to choose, guys, I think I like the style of the second generation better, because for me it's just simple, and even though it's a little bit long, but for me it's just simple and I like that. And the other one, shorter, but the style is, I'm not a big fan of the style, guys, but I don't mind about that because, as I said, guys, the sound quality is the most important thing. Comes with the noise cancelling, so that's really nice, guys, and I like that one. That's it for our unboxing video for today, the AirPods Pro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye, guys.